Welcome to our Q&A series, where we tackle the question, can I clean my own commercial kitchen's vent hood? As a face in the KEC knowledge exchange industry, I'm here to guide you through this important topic. The answer to whether you can clean your own vent hood is, it depends. Understanding the necessary knowledge and standards is crucial. Coordination with health and fire authorities, as well as your insurance, may be required. While professional cleaning might be necessary, you can still maintain parts of your vent hood. Cleaning the filters and canopy is something you can do regularly. This helps ensure your kitchen remains safe and compliant. Typically, cleaning the filters and canopy should be done once a week. This task must be performed when the kitchen is off and the system is not in use. This ensures thorough and safe cleaning. One example on how to clean your filters is soak them in hot soap and water, then scrub them. This method helps remove grease and grime effectively. You can also reach out to exhaust systems manufacturer for best practices and further tips. Remember, keeping your filters clean is essential for maintaining a safe kitchen environment. The vent hood canopy can also be cleaned with soap and water. Avoid using flammable products during this process. Safety is paramount, and using the right cleaning agents is crucial to prevent any fire hazards. While you can handle some cleaning tasks, professional services might be necessary for a thorough job. They ensure compliance with health and safety standards. Always consider consulting with experts for comprehensive vent hood maintenance. For more information or assistance, feel free to contact us. We're here to help you maintain a safe and efficient commercial kitchen. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips in our Q&A series.